guys, welcome to Also Most Ideas TV. This is where we share business ideas. It's been a while, but I promise you guys to give you more content about cash, about money making, about ideas, guys. And thank you guys for my supporters, returning subscriber. Thank you guys. Continue supporting me. And if you are new, guys, I love you. Continue supporting me, continue watching my video. You learn more and more and more. I always say I'm not perfect, but I share what I do. So subscribe. It's free for charge, guys. I give this information for free, guys. Also, you need to give that subscriber for free. It's free. Just dial that subscriber. You see there? Yeah, I think it's there. You see there? Subscriber. Just dial that subscriber. Click. It's free on charge. Okay, guys. To cut short story, guys. Today, I have news. I've been researching this and this. More. And I say, why can I share with you guys? You know, I'm not selfish. I always say that. I share what I do. I'm not so perfect, but I share with you guys. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make bar soap. But I just want to show you briefly. So continue supporting me. Continue watching my video. I will be uploading more about soap making. So today, I want to show you how to make bar soap. But I'm already mixed my chemicals. So I just want to show you guys. You see this is oil. This is oil. And this is lye. We call lye the mixer of those chemical calls lye. Okay, so I'm going to make 10 bar soap right now. Okay, click that notification bell, guys, so to notify you when I post any video. You'll be number one to watch. Okay, you must have gloves. Must have gloves. This is perfume. So, and this is a mold. With time, I'm going to show you how this mold work. So watch my video and watch this video till the end. I will be uploading more video about soap making, medicated soap. Guys, this is the idea. I've been researching and I say, why can I share with you guys? Okay, watch guys. So I'm going to mix my lye with the oil. You can use any oil, coconut oil, palm oil, any oil, as long as that oil is in liquid form. Use it, guys. Okay, comment on comment section below. Any question, if you want to learn this more and more, I can teach you guys. So comment on the comment section below. Okay, so our oil is ready. I want to mix now. And if you want to know the ratio, I'm going to teach you chemicals, all those chemical components you want to use, all them. I'm going to show you guys in another video. Okay, so this video is briefly to welcome me because it's been long, but now I have more ideas. Don't worry, what is this about? You will be learning more, guys. Learn more. Okay? So lazima ukoroge. Usishangae nafanya nini. And all guys, you learn more about this. With the time, you learn more. This is a part 1. So lazima ukoroge hivi like 1 hour. Ndio sofu yako ikuwe so smooth. Click that notification bell. Ndio usipitwe any content and be uploading about soft making. So you can do this at your home. No machine. You don't need to use machine. Unaweza tumia machine if unaweza buy. But meanwhile, just use this. Guys, with 10k you can start this business and earn more. All 15k. This is a business you can use less capital, guys.